My name is Kleve. I go to Iowa State University and I'm studying environmental science and sustainability. I will be a sophomore next year, and a few hobbies that I like to do are reading, I like to go biking, I like to be outside, all that good stuff.
Can you tell me a little bit about your time at Lakeside so far?
So far at Lakeside, everybody's been super friendly and been having a great time getting to know everybody and making deep connections with a bunch of different people. I also really enjoy being outside all the time, and I thought I wouldn't like the no air conditioning, but I actually really like it because it forces me to be out there. And I really like being right next to the lake. It's awesome. It's like, it's a vibe. Yeah, that's all.
What would you say, you've mentioned a few things that you like, but what would you say is your favorite part about Lakeside?
My favorite part about Lakeside is the location. I really like that it's next to the lake, as I said earlier, and I also really like that it's just like in a bunch of nature. I love it.
Yeah, that's awesome. And can you tell me a little bit about your research that you're doing here at the Fen?
Yeah, so at this Neppl Fen here, I'm taking soil samples to measure the soil moisture content. Since the Fen is currently being restored, I'm just monitoring that rehydration over the summer, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully things that are good.
Can you tell me a little bit about your methodology out here?
Yeah, so basically what I do is I take a soil core and I take 49 samples throughout the Fen, and after I take those samples, I go back to the lab and I weigh them when they're wet, and then I dry them, and then I weigh them when they are dry, and that is the gravimetric protocol for that.
And what are you kind of hoping to accomplish with this research?
Yeah, so basically what I want to see happen is that the Fen is rehydrating, and then also I can, with the information that I gather, I can see where the different saturation zones are throughout the Fen, and then hopefully we can use that in the future to determine where we want to, put specific seeds or live plant plugs, just to help with the restoration process.
What would you say, like, restoring and rehydrating the Fen, why would you say that that's important?
I think it's important because having wetlands across Iowa, it's just something that's been, degrading over the years. We have farmers that are draining wetlands, but they're great habitats for specific species of animals and plants, and so if we don't have fens, we're going to lose a lot of different biodiversity in the area. So I think it's important to help restore these types of wetlands.
How would you say that your research and your time at Lakeside is going to benefit you in the future, either for a career or just continuing on through your college career?
Well, what I want to do really is do a lot of field work in my future. I didn't know until being here that I really like to do research, so I think this is going to be a great opportunity for me to continue on with different research projects. I have a lot of background information now, and also it's just given me a lot of, help me step out of the box and be more adventurous with what I want to do. So yeah, I think that will help me with my future goals.
And what would you say makes you unique among the Lakeside interns?
I guess I would say I'm one of the younger interns, so it's helped me in ways that I didn't think would. I guess I have a lot of years ahead of me, so since I've been able to start early, it's like, I don't know, giving me a step up, I guess.
And is there anything else that you want to add or talk about or anything like that?
Just that I love Lakeside.